There are several videos that help you make burgers, but how is this one different? If you're looking for something new and exciting for your next burger night, why not try this lamb burger packed with flavor and so easy to make? In this video, I will show you how to make an irresistible burger with lamb mince and then pay it up with a delicious burger sauce to amaze your family and friends. So let's get started. Step 1. Making the burger with lamb mince. For this, you will need 1 kg of lamb mince washed and drained of all water. I used 80% of lean mince and 20% fat. To this, I'm going to add in only the egg yolk. Then add in 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of fine salt. Mix this all together and then divide them into 4 equal portions. If you like your burgers thinner, then divide them into 6 portions. Step 2 is frying the burgers. For this, I'm going to take a thin-based pan and melt about 2 tablespoons of butter on high heat. Once the butter starts to sizzle, I'm going to add in the burgers and allow these to simmer for about 5 minutes on each side. After 5 minutes, flatten the burgers with a spatula and then flip them over slowly to avoid breaking them while turning them. Step 3, let's make a burger sauce. For this, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of sriracha sauce, 2 tablespoons of mustard sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, and to this I'm also going to add in half a cup of mayonnaise. Then I'm going to mix this all together and leave aside. Taking some burger buns, I usually cut them in half, spread some melted butter over them, and toast them lightly. When the burgers are almost done, place a cheese slice over them and allow it to melt slowly. Moving on to step 4, now we're going to assemble the burgers. After toasting the buns, arrange them on a board, and this makes for easy layering. Smear some of the sauce over the buns. Add in some sliced tomatoes, gherkins, cucumbers, lettuce, whatever you like. Place a burger over this and then add in more sauce. Top this off with the other half of the burger bun. Serve this with some French fries, of course. And look at that sauce oozing out. Don't forget to leave a comment if you do try this recipe, and until the next vlog, happy cooking!